Namaste. Today's topic is yoga for diabetes. Diabetes is a common metabolic and lifestyle disorder which increases the sugar level in the blood and urine. It is either caused by insufficient secretion of hormone called as insulin by pancreas, or when our body cells does not respond to it effectively. I'm going to show you some of the yoga asanas for diabetes, starting from the very first asana called as Cobra Pose, Bhujangasana. For that, you need to lie down on your abdomen. Then place both the hands under the shoulder, palms down. Place your forehead on the floor and elbows close to the body. Feet together. As you inhale, lift your forehead, then chest, navel, tilt your head. And as you exhale, first bring down your navel, then chest, then shoulder, and then place your forehead on the floor. You can practice like this with the inhalation and exhalation for about 6 rounds. And once you are done, you can relax in Advasana. There's a lot of benefits of Bhujangasana, Cobra Pose. It not only helps in massaging the internal organs of the abdomen, but also of the pelvis. It helps to keep your spine supple from upper back till the lower back. Now, from here, we will move on to the next practice. It is called as Ardha Shalabh Asana, half locust pose. For this, you need to lie down on your stomach. You need to place your chin on the floor and palms under your thigh. You can even make a fist of your hand under your thigh. In this posture, first you need to inhale and you need to always start with the left side of your leg. Inhale, lift your left leg up, keeping your knees straight. Exhale, bring your left leg down. Make sure your legs should be together throughout the practice. Inhale, lift your right leg up. Do not tilt your pelvis. Exhale, bring your right leg down. Once you are done, you can relax. Benefits of Ardha Shalabh Asana, half locust pose. It is very good for your whole spine, and it is also good for massaging your pelvis and massaging the internal organs of the abdomen, especially creating a pressure in your pancreas, stimulating the insulin production in the pancreas. Make a note that this is only the practice which we begin from the left leg in order to create a pressure towards the right side of the abdomen to the ascending colon of the large intestine to give it a peristalsis movement. Now we will move on to the next practice called as Dhanurasana, the bow pose. For this, you need to lie down on your abdomen. Place your chin on the floor and palms down close to the body, feet together. Now, bend your knee and bring your heel close to the buttock. Hold your ankle. As we inhale, pushing our leg back, we will lift our head, shoulder, arms and leg. We will be completely on our abdomen with the inhalation like this. Now exhale and slowly release the posture. Benefits of Dhanurasana, the bow pose. This is one of the wonderful practice for people with diabetes. As our entire body weight is on abdomen, it massages all the organs of the abdomen and stimulates the secretion of the hormones. So keep practicing all these asanas regularly. It will help manage diabetes. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay happy.